Oh, what up, people? Oh God, we're still in the danger zone. And I swear, I thought things would lighten up, but apparently it's not. So we have, it's day 66 of wave 2 of coronavirus in Canada, and it's also 28th day of cases over 1,000 in a row. You can look down below. I'm gonna have to cut down the list because it's really taking up the space. Well, but maybe I'll leave it for now. So today's cases are hailing from 592. So Peel Region's in the lead again. And 396 from Toronto. Okay, still a bit high. 187 is from York Region. And 127 is from London-Middlesex Region. So all other public health units reported under 100 again. So every other region that has not been listed, that I did not mention just now, yeah, every region has like high cases right now. So this is really take this seriously. So death toll. So the more deaths. So 14 more deaths have been reported today, and that is just unfortunate. So just as a recap, because people in Toronto and the Peel region that do not understand these rules, and we should follow them. So breaking down gray zone rules again, aka lockdown. So indoor dining and outdoor dining is closed. Driving schools, except virtual classes, are not available. Casinos and gambling, cinemas, film, television production is banned. Pools, fitness centers, and meeting rooms at hotels. Yeah, just so anything that is other than just hotel service, you stay at a hotel for the night, nothing more. So anything else that is available at a hotel is not available. And personal care is closed. So and the nightclubs and strip clubs are closed, and technically the only thing that they actually do right now is provide enough food. So if their menu, you have to call them. And social gatherings of any kind are not allowed. However, some businesses have an option of doing curbside pickup. So this is a popular. Though cannabis stores can do this, libraries can do this, shops at malls can do this, and non-essential shops can do this. But apparently, non-essential shops have been, they have been ignoring the option that they can do this, and they just want to open up the shops. So that's the problem right now. So I'll get onto it later. So schools, child care centers, and pharmacies, doctors, and dentist offices are open, and real estate has a limitation than usual, and takeout is available at restaurants. So if a restaurant's website is not been updated, or it's not available, all you see is the message not available. have not been updated or something like that. So go straight to DoorDash.ca, look up the restaurant that you are wish to order from, and yeah. So yeah. Or you could call the restaurant if you know their menu, and you can do that way. So do not socialize with others unless it's an emergency. So yeah, what people have not understood is yeah, at least 50 because there's at least 50 business owners are requesting Ontario government to lift the coronavirus restrictions for non-essential businesses. But what I see is I know this from a business perspective because yeah, I help out at my parents' shop, and yeah, so I know how businesses work, and yeah, but to, with having a large number of people inside at a business at a time, that is just going to increase coronavirus cases, and yeah, and someone with coronavirus could touch a surface, and and say someone who doesn't have coronavirus touches that surface, and then they go home and accidentally touches their mouth, nose, or eyes, basically their face. Yeah, it can spread. And have so unless if these businesses don't limit the number of people inside a business at a time, and they also tell them to sanitize before entering the business. I've known businesses that do this in Toronto, and yeah, it is an excellent method that they are doing, and I encourage them to continue doing what they're doing. Also, curbside pickup, or some businesses that have delivery people who deliver certain items. So yeah, just provide your information, just name and phone number and email. Easy. So today's hospitalizations is it's the devil's number. 666 people are 666 people are hospitalized right now due to with coronavirus cases, and 195 patients are in the ICU. 107 patients are on a ventilator. Out of the 195, yeah. So that's basically majority of the people. Wow. So school, wow. 5,001. So this is from 755 schools out of the entire province, and this 5,146 school-related coronavirus cases, and 3,330 is from students. They really should close more schools. 728 is from a staff, and in the individual affected is still the same, 1,088. So 5 schools are currently closed right now, and Long-term care homes. The that number right now is 2,253 right now, and yeah, and the staff number of staff deaths that has not changed. Let's go to rankings. But before I mention that, so you know, rural regions are asking a gray zone and red zone region people not to visit, and the chances of coronavirus cases will increase. So please don't. And food banks have people visit. So if you if you can, if you got the money and time, you know, donate to the local food bank. Donate money or like food. Yeah. So to these rankings, Quebec is now they're at 145,062. Ontario's at 123,639. Oh my. Alberta's at 61,169. And British Columbia is at BC's at 34,728. Manitoba's at 17,384. Saskatchewan 8,982. Wow. Nova Scotia, East Coast is at 1,332. Wow. New Brunswick is at 514. Newfoundland and Labrador is at 340, and that's one higher than yesterday. And Nunavut's at 193. PEI is at 72, and Yukon Territories is at 50 now. And Northwest Territories unchanged. They're still at 15. So just stay safe. And follow like what you need to do. Follow coronavirus safety rules, like don't have social gatherings over 10 or important meetings over 10. And you can use social media to talk with people, and don't have activities with other people, and don't only go on essential travel. Keep your health your first priority. Stay out of areas where coronavirus cases can be high, and avoid going to places if you're from a high case. And something new is so if you think so if you have if you haven't tested for positive for coronavirus, you are allowed to get the coronavirus vaccine first before those who may or may not have coronavirus. So just keep that in mind, okay, people? So, and if you're at highest risk, yeah, you can get tested first. Vaccines are available in local, places near you, but remember, appointment. Now, stay safe, folks. Let's try and reduce the coronavirus case because it is risen again, and this is So what I am looking at right now, and the total of coronavirus cases right now, today's cases would land somewhere around. Oh, second place. Because the highest right now we have is like 1,855 is from November 27th. And the second highest we used to have is the November 28th with 1,822. So, yeah. Don't make it worse for us. And if we're, yeah, from a Tron, those people, yeah. And I think the businesses owners will have to think twice and maybe just they can offer curbside pickup or something like that because that is available.